In this video, we're going to be learning A chords, major and minor triads. So far, we have learned C, G, D, and now we're on A. A is very similar to D because D had white note, black note, white note. And A is going to be the same thing for the major. It's going to be a white note, black note, white note. And when it goes into a minor, the third degree goes half a step down, which is white note, white note, white note, just like D. So let's play the A chord, major, the A major triad, and now let's play the minor chord where the third degree goes half step down to C. See how you could hear it a little sadder? Happy, sad. Happy is the major, sad is the minor. So let's play the major chord for now, playing at 1, 3, and 5 fingers. They're all the same. At A, C sharp, and E. Now let's move it up to the second variation at C sharp, E, and A. Move it up again to the third variation at E, A, and C sharp. And lastly, A, C sharp, E. Now let's move it down from A to E to C sharp and to A. Very good. Practice one octave with the right hand. It's really similar to D, so your fingering position should already be pretty solid. And you could play A much easier since you already know D. So let's move on to the left hand at one octave, the same thing. So A, C sharp, E. Move it up to C sharp. Move up to E. And move it up to A. Excellent. Now we go down from A to E, C sharp, and A. Your hand should already know pretty well left hand and right hand since you already played chords for a little bit. Now let's combine them and play a major. Move up to C sharp. Move up again to E. And A. Good. Let's go down. Play A again. Go down to E. To C sharp. And to A. Excellent, very good. Once you could play A one octave comfortably and confidently, now we're going to go 25 times for 4 octaves. Excellent. That was A major. Now, once you've played it 25 times, now we can move on to the minor chord, where it's going to be A, C, and E. The C sharp goes half a step down, like we discussed. The third degree goes half a step down to make a major chord into a minor chord. So it's going to be A, C, and E. This is the first variation, A, C, and E. We can move it up to C, E, and A. And again to E, A, and C. And lastly to A, C, and E. Now we're going to move it down from A, C, and E to E, A, and C, C, E, A, and lastly to A, C, E. Good. So play one octave for the right hand until you know it fairly well. Very good. Now let's move on to the left hand and play the same notes. So you start from A, move up to C, move it up again to E, and to A. And down from A to E, C, and A again. Excellent. Since you already played C, you played D minor, you played G, and now we're playing A minor, playing all white chords is very similar. Like your hand is the same width apart, and you should already know it pretty well. So let's combine the hands and let's play A minor one octave. Very good. Now once that is complete, now we're going to play it 25 times up and down to know it really well. There we go. Now we know the A major, the A minor chords fairly well, just like we know the D, the G, and the C chords. Now we could apply these chords into improvisations. And thank you for watching for this video. And let's move on to the next chord, E.